Do you want a not so pretty girlfriend, but she's super nice and super kind and she has a good heart? Or a very, very pretty girlfriend, but she has a bad attitude? Okay.
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Ellen Adarna at anak nitong si Elias Modesto, ganito ang kanilang usapan na mag-ina. Sa video, makikita kung gaano ka-sweet at open ang kanilang mag-ina relationship. Parang magkaibigan lang na nagkukwentuhan. Tinanong ni Ellen si Elias kung ano ang type niya sa isang girl. At makikita ang inosente ngunit matalinong sagot ng bata na talaga namang kinaaliwan ng mga netizens. Si Ellen pa ay nagbigay ng pagpipilian ng kanyang anak. Marami ang natuwa sa pagiging honest at natural ni Elias sa pagsagot. Sa gitna ng masayang usapan, sinabi ni Ellen kay Elias, "Honesty is the best policy." Isang simpleng linya pero puno ng aral. Itinuturo niya sa anak ang kahalagahan ng pagiging tapat sa sarili at sa iba. Makikita rin kung gaano kalamping at gaano kalapit ni Elias sa kanyang mami. Kaya't maraming netizen ang humanga sa pagpapalaki ni Ellen sa kanya. Narito at ating panoorin ang kabuuan ng video.
Do you want a not so pretty girlfriend, but she's super nice and super kind and she has a good heart? Or a very, very pretty girlfriend, but she has a bad attitude? She's a bad person. So choose.
The first one. The first one.
What's the first one?
Huh?
What's the first one?
I don't want the first one.
The first one. So what's the first one? Yeah.
I forgot.
Not so pretty, but has a good heart. Yeah. Okay. What if she's so ugly, but she has a good heart?
No, it's hard.
You can, you can say so. You can be honest. Honesty is the best policy. So you'll just go for the not so pretty.
Yeah.
Okay.
The middle.
Okay.